Siddha means the persons who reside in that planet, they have got automatically, by taking birth in that, just like taking birth in the Western countries, America or Europe, you are more opulent than other countries materially. Similarly, in Krishna Loka also, those who are there, they are automatically all lover of Krishna. Similarly, there are many different planets, different kinds of residents. What knowledge we have got, but we have to take knowledge from the Shastra. Therefore, Vedanta Sutra says, Shastra Chakhusha. You have to understand, you have to gather your knowledge from authentic scripture, not by experimental knowledge. Experimental knowledge cannot be perfect because our instruments of acquiring knowledge are imperfect. So however we may tackle these instruments perfectly in our way, basically they are imperfect. Therefore, perfect knowledge you cannot have. If you want to have perfect knowledge, then you have to understand these authoritative scriptures. Just like here in this Srimad Bhagavatam, we understand that there is Brahma or the demigods and the Siddha. So we have to accept. You cannot understand these things by experimental knowledge, simply as it is. Therefore I am presenting this Bhagavad Gita as it is. Then you understand. That is knowledge, perfect knowledge. Otherwise, if you interpret, if you don't believe, then you don't get. There is no other way. The same example. Just like, I am repeating again, that if you want to know who is your father, the only witness is your mother. Her evidence is final. And if you want to make experiment who is your father, that is not possible. That experimental knowledge is not possible. You have to accept. Similarly, for perfect knowledge of the Father or perfect knowledge of the Supreme, you have to accept the version, supreme version of Vedas. Then it is perfect. So there are many different planets within this universe, and beyond this universe, spiritual planets, and Kesavatva Jagata Vichitra, God's creation is very variety. So we should not think that this is all in all. This is that Dr. Frog's knowledge. Dr. Frog knows that this small well is everything. He has no knowledge of the Pacific Ocean. Similarly, these Dr. Frogs of this material world, they are thinking this planet is all in all. And 25,000 miles up this planet, that is all space. No. Panthastu koti shatavassa sampragamya vayu rathapi manaso munipangavana sapastija prapadasim abhichintatatti govindamadi purusham tamahang bhajama. Brahma, the first class and the first living entity within this universe, he says that panthastu koti satavassa sampragamma vayurathapi manaso. If you, not to speak of these airplanes, but if you can prepare a plane of the mental plane, just like mental plane, you are sitting here, you can immediately transfer yourself 10,000 miles away or more than that. Immediately, within a second. Just like I am here in America, Los Angeles. And India is about 15,000 miles away from this place. But immediately, within second, I can think that I am sitting in my room there. How it is? The mind is so forceful. Yes, see? This is practical. You can transfer your mind immediately. So, how can you compare with these aeroplanes? Can the aeroplanes means Vayu. Vayu means air. These are all in Sanskrit language and in the scriptures. These are not very new things. Is it? Panthastu koti satavassa sampragamma Vayu ratha. Vayu means air. And ratha means plane, airplane. So either by the airplane is not so speedy. The jet planes running at the rate of 500 miles or 1,000 miles per hour. But my mental plane can run 15,000 miles per second. You see? And that just understand then the spirit, how much speedy the spirit will be. Because that they here matter, there are matter, earth, water, fire, then air. Air is very fine. Earth is crude, water is crude, then earth, water, fire. Fire is still finer but crude. But still finer air, and still finer ether, and still finer mind, and still finer soul. So just imagine, if mind is so strong that it can transfer itself from here to 15,000 miles in a second, how much speedy and powerful is the soul? So these yogis, they come to the platform of the mental plane, speedy, the yogis can transfer. There are many yogis still in India that early in the morning they travel about 4,000 miles within half an hour and take bath in 4 different pilgrimages. Within half an hour. Yes. The yogic powers are so, what yogis we have seen? Siddha. That is Siddha. The demigods, Siddha, they are other persons. It is not story. So Prahlad Maharaj says that these demigods, these great saintly persons, these Siddhas, how they have become so powerful? Sattaikatana. Being situated in the material modes of goodness. If you put yourself, keep yourself in the modes of goodness, then you get more and more your spiritual power. And if you keep yourself in the modes of ignorance and passion, then you cannot make progress. You will have to remain here or go down. If you keep yourself in the modes of ignorance, then you go down even to the animal kingdom.